Hey guys, today you're going to be learning about how to use the BeFunky photo editing application. This application is very useful and very handy for bringing your photos to life, so let's get started. First step, click Get Started. Next, you're going to select a photo to edit. So let's say my photo is on my computer. I'm going to choose this one. Open. So here I have my photo. First step, I have a whole bunch of different features for clarity, touch-ups, lighting, etc. on the left hand side here. So if I want to crop it, I can drag this however I want, pull it, get rid of that excess space in the picture, and you click apply, and there's my cropped. Next, I can work with my colors. So I select colors, and if I want my saturation to be a bit more colorful, then I drag this bar up to change the intensity. And I think it's looking a little too blue, so I'm going to put the temperature up as well. Makes it look like a hot summer day, and then you again click apply. You have other options such as soften, sharpen, blur, beautify, resize, rotate, but I think we're good for now. Also, you have touch-ups. So if you're editing a picture of a face, you can change the color of teeth, blemish fix, wrinkles, lipstick, bronzer. There's a whole bunch of different options. And again, it's the same concept. You can color it in and change the strength. One of my favorite parts of this editing app are the color effects. The first place on the left has a whole bunch of featured effects, which are the most popular effects that this app offers. So if I keep scrolling along this bar, I might find an interesting one. Here I have 3 different effects to choose from. So I select my color, and then if I don't want it to be that intense because it might ruin the picture, you drag the intensity bar down a little bit. But I still want it to be bright, so I'm going to adjust my brightness. This is what's good about this app. You can adjust however you want it. Next, there's fun effects, which are also known as artsy effects. Things that can make your picture look like a painting. It's the same concept. You click the effect, and then you can change the detail amount, the smoothness amount on the side, along with the intensity and whatnot. But I don't really like that on this picture, so we're going to click cancel. Another thing, if you don't like what you've done, there's an undo button at the top. So you click that, and then you can go back one step. And if you rather it the other way, then you can put it back on if you like. Next, on the left, we have frames. So you can frame your image as if it's an actual picture on your wall. Let's say this one. Again, it's the same concept here. You can adjust it if it's too strong. You could change the opacity to a less harsh frame. So it could barely show, or it could be just a little bit. I'm going to leave it like this and apply. Also, we have text. So this dog's name is Logan. So I'm going to select this text, and I like that font. So I'm going to choose that font, and then here you double click to type text. So I'm going to write the doggy's name, Logan. Next, you can drag the name wherever you want, along with adjusting size, and there's color, background color, positioning. I think I like it like this, so I'm going to click apply. So there I have that. Next, we have stickers. Stickers are fun if you want to add character to your image. You have thousands and thousands of different themes of stickers to choose from. I think I'm going to choose this halo to put on Logan because Logan is a very good dog. So you can adjust it using the corners and you pull and close to make it bigger and smaller. I'm going to drag it right over his head. Again, it's the same concept as most effects. You can change the intensity of the halo if I don't want it to be too large or too thick or too intense, but I'm going to put it really intense. And then you click apply when you're finished. Finally, we have textures. Textures, again, add a lot of character to your image if you want it to be more bold or to come to life. We have plenty of different types of overlays to choose from. I think I might choose some light trails at the bottom of my image. So there they are. You select the one that you want and it shows up at the bottom of your image over here. Now I think that's a bit too harsh for my picture because it's going to take out of the beach scene. So again, same concept, I could lower the intensity of my light trail so that it's kind of vague and subtle. Also, I can rotate them. If I don't like the positioning of them, I could flip them to the top, to the bottom, left, right, sideways. I kind of like it on the side, so we're going to leave it there. And then you click, again, apply. So here's my final product. We brought this picture to life, and so next step, you're going to want to save it. So you're going to click save at the top and choose where you want to save it from. I'm going to want to save it straight to my computer because I'm not sure if I want to post it yet, but you also have the option to post it to the app itself, Facebook, Tumblr, Twitter, Flickr, Pin It, We Heart It. There's a whole bunch of different programs that you can save it to, but for now I'm just going to save it to my computer. So then you click yes for desktop and save. Now you get to choose how you want to name your file. So I'm going to name my file Logan edited. And then you choose your file type, JPEG because that's standard, and the quality, and you're going to want your quality to be at the maximum usually, so you drag this to the quality of 10. It gives you your file size as well if that comes in handy in the future. And then there you go, click save, and save again. Ta-da! Now, if you want to continue editing your picture, you can continue and go on and use more effects or remove effects. It's like this. This is the undo button, and there's plenty of things that you can do. This is our original photo. And if you want to now edit a new image, you click upload, and it's the same steps. You can also upload from Facebook, off your webcam, sample pictures just for fun. There's a whole bunch of different options. Well guys, I hope you learned something from my tutorial today, and hopefully that you guys can bring your own photos to life. Get editing!